Samantala, kung hanap mo ay convenience at accessibility pagdating sa daily essential needs mo at ng iyong pamilya, perfect ang mga convenience store na bukas 24/7. Ano nga ba ang sekreto ng success ng ganitong negosyo? Yan ang ating alamin kasama si Dayan Medina Ilustre dito lang sa Negosyo Tayo.
Miss June, to start off, tell us more about your business journey. How did you enter business industry?
I wanted to have my own.
Your own business.
Yeah, kaya and I didn't have wala akong
Background.
background sa.
Yes, because I remember off-cam, nagkukwentuhan tayo. You told me that your course was chemical engineering and you also had second course which is nursing. So kung titingnan natin mga kanegosyo, medyo malayo sa business. What made you decide to enter convenience store out of all the businesses out there?
It was a challenge for me. Tapos yung daughter ko pa din, nag-graduate siya ng HRM. Siguro it's the mother side of me na ayokong, kasi dalawa lang sila. Yung ibig sabihin, gusto ko yung business na she can call it her own. Kasi matanda na kami.
So nag-isip ka ng business na something na gusto mong i-transfer sa kids mo in time, yung business na tingin nyo talaga na magagawa din ng mga anak ninyo. You opened year 2017, kamusta yung pag-run natin ng business?
Hindi siya madali talaga. Kaya lang, as you go along, makakapag-adjust ka, and then nakakatuwa pag yung nakikita mong nagpo-progress. And then siguro ang nakatulong talaga sa akin is the fact that it's yung parang malapit lang. Kung merong aberya, I can go there right away.
What are the learnings that you have learned or yung mga takeaways mo building itong business mo since 2017, lalo na wala po kayong background, which actually may serve as an inspiration to all our kanegosyos na gusto rin pumasok sa pagbibusiness na walang background?
Yung pakikitungo mo sa tao, yung makakamit ka ng not just your staff, yung customers mo na yung you learn to makisama ka dun sa kanila. It's a learning process all the way kahit na it's our 7th year na.
Bakit ba importanteng pumasok ang bawat mamamayang Pilipino sa pagnenegosyo?
Parang fulfillment mo na yun eh. Kagaya ko, matanda na ako talaga. Pag open ko nung business, talagang yung bang learning process ka. Pero pagka nakikita mo naman yung mataas yung sales or something like that, parang sumasaya ka kasi nga yun yung
Fulfillment.
yung
Kung may gusto kang gawin, ibigay mo ang lahat ng makakaya mo para wala kang pagsisiyan sa huli. Yan po ang mindset ng business owner na si Miss June Santos. Marami pa kaming ibabahagi sa inyong mga business stories, mga kanegosyo. See you again next time. Kaya naman, tara! Negosyo tayo!
Minsan, mayroon dito walang